Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'll be teaching you about operators. Okay, operators, they are common operators that are very essential in JavaScript, like the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, assignment operator, and modulus. Right, we'll see how they apply. Okay, now first of all, before we continue, let's first of all comment all this. I think in our previous video I'd shown an example of how to comment your video. You probably want to just highlight a particular line and then you hold down your command / and you do that, and you see it's already commented, and by this it means that this part of the code will not run, though it's not been deleted from your editor. However, it's not going to have any impact on your application. So that's it. So I want to uncomment everything here, so I'll do this, highlight everything, and you command / because I'm on a Mac, but if you're on a Windows you do control / and you do this and we'll have it. Now let's look at various operators in JavaScript. So to do that, they say console.log, right, and you can say 2 plus 3. This is an operator, right? So this is an addition operator. So you save your work and you come here, it says 5, and we can come here and say console.log 5 minus 2, and you say this is going to give us 3. You see that, and you can say division operator. So you can say the .log, you can say 10 divided by 2, and then you say this. We have this, right? So we have multiplication operator here. Say console.log. You can say 4 times 3. So it's like the asterisk sign. So you say the work and you say this is 12. And let's check for this one, modulus operator, and say console.log modulus. Say let's say 20 modulus. Use the percentage sign, modulus 5. It should give us 0, right? So I'm going to explain this. This modulus here is like the remainder after you've done some division. So if you do 20 divided by 5, it's going to give us 4. Remaining what? Remaining 0. So that remainder is what it gives us as the answer. So if I do 20 divided by 7, that will be what? It will be 2. Remaining 6, right? So if I do 20 modulus 7, it will give me 6, right? You say 6, right? If I do 5 modulus 2, guess what it's going to give me? It's going to give me 1, right? So 5 modulus 2, which means 5 divided by 2, I'll get 2, and it will be remaining 1, so it's going to give me 1. So that's it. So that's what the module is. And then lastly, we'll talk about the assignment operator. And if you look at it in all these codes, I've shown us the assignment operator here. It's just when you assign a value, right? Okay, there's one more, and I'm going to show us that. Assignment operator is when you assign a value to a variable. So you want to do like const value, right? And you now do assignment operator. I want to assign it the value of 45. So this is the assignment operator. It's different from the equal to, right? The equal to operator is when you want to compare two values. For example, I say console.log, right? I just want to print equal to, I want to print, is 4 equal to 5, right? I want to print this, so 5, is it equal to 4? Definitely no. So I'll do this, 5 equal to 4. It's going to give us false because 5 is not equal to 4. So I save my work, it's going to give me false. If I do, is 5 equal to 5? It's going to give me what? It's going to give me true. You see that? This is assignment operator. So this is equal to. And we have different types of equal to. We have the equal to and we have the strict equal to. And the strict equal to checks for the data types, right? So I know we might be confused here, right? I'm going to show us this. Now, if you look at this, this is 5 and this is 5. But if I put it around a quote like this, and I do this, this is a number and this is a string. Although they have the same value, and when I save my work, it's still going to give me what? It's going to give me true, because it's just checking for the value. It's not checking for the data type, right? This is number, this is string. But if I add a third equal to here, right, and I do equal, because the value is the same, but the data type is not the same. So if I try to save it, it's going to tell me what? it's going to tell me false because this is strict equal to, right? This is equal to, right? So strict equal to, okay? So if equal is strict equal to, it checks for the value and as well checks for the data type. So that's the difference, right? That's the difference. So I can come here just for example and console.log 5 equal to 5, just for us to have this in mind. So this is it. This is it. So remember, you can just play with this instead of using to like hard coded. You can put in a variable. You can say maybe const previous balance. You can call it previous balance. Just an example. Balance equal to 2. Right? You now say const deposit equal to 3. So you come here, instead of saying 2 plus 3, you can say previous balance plus deposits. And it should still give us the same thing, right? So look at it. So you can also just play with it. Instead of using hard-coded values, you can use variables. So you can say current balance, you can say 5. You can just call this one const current balance equal to 5, right? And then you say, oh, sorry, not const, so it should be const. Then you can say const withdrawal balance, withdrawal, right? Withdrawal equal to what? 2. You say, you can say current balance minus withdrawal, and then you still have 2, and then that's it. You see, we still have the same thing. So this is basically your assignment operators, right? Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye. See you in the next video.